Kurjira Abataka bari kutura muri mpondo rubiri hataunu kanso nabagira ngo kuyongera kwa Kasasiro mushwekeki kubasa kubaletera hendwara nyingi zirabaremeso kujanjaba.
Shida inaletwa na wale watu ambao waliwanja kutengeneza tauni hii ya Mbondwe Customs. Yani hawakupanga mpango wa kuweka fasi zenye zinaweza zikakuwa zinawekewa mambo kama Kasasiro hii na vinginevyo. Ndio wenye walileta shida. Ndio kisudi naona sasa majani inajaa kwa barabara, yani hakuna nafasi ya kuweka.
Banange twararikirira Akasasiro kana kabuli runaku abana baffe tulwadde abantu bali kudukana babaja kungula kakachayi abantu nibaduka nibagamba zineswera zija kutuletera obulwadde eza buli saawa ate sina we tukolera amanyi gaffe matono tukolera wanebweru we tusobola okufuna ekyokulya n'ekyabana baffe betubagamba batugamba tujja bijjawo betwagamba bati byatawunikira kana tawunikira katafaayo.
Sky TV huyaba negamba hona meya Sylvester Mpozi wa Mpondwe rubiri hataunu kanso yagira ngo okushoroze sente z'emishoro hamwe na government okoremwa kohereza sento mbyaro nico cenjire Kasasiro omwanya ogu.
The challenge that we have as a council is about the garbage. Garbage has been a problem for so long, not only us and not only from Mpondwe, but for our case, it's just because of the local revenue that we are collecting. The system that government has introduced is IRAS. And after collecting this money, we send the money to the central bank, that's Bank of Uganda, which transfers it back to us. The month's collection comes in the following month, on the 15th, around that time. And if it goes through without having been received within the month, like for 2 months, council stays without any money. This has caused the accumulation of garbage in this town council.
Katobwera likirivuwe buli wakubanti kano kayinzo kuleta endwadde nosanga abantu gabakwatidde wano endwadde nyingi. Naye ate kyovolaba tukola nnyo n'amaanyi kulaba ndi town council tuteremu amaanyi okulaba ndi kajjawo buli ssaawa yonna kati waberenga walungi alanga wayonjo. Ndufe ekikulu tusaba ndi government tutekemu akasente ng'etown council okulaba ne tubeera nga tufuna sente ezisobola kayolawo buli ssaawa yonna tetwagala kaberewo.
Ogu yayongera yagira ngo ebimotoka bibiri ebibakoza kurundana Kasasiro egi abo kugira ngo bikafa kandi biri hansi byakikora nicyo cyongire Kasasiro mutawunezi.
We have no vehicle that can be used. Our track is down. Our track is down. We only base on the revenue collected that is used to hire the trucks that we are using.
Ogu yayongera yashaba government okuyakubasa kutaho muringo ogu kubahereza motoka egi yo kubayamba mu kuyora Kasasiro.
It's my appeal still, as I have always said, that if possible, government would provide to us a truck, a garbage truck, that we would be fueling and then carrying this garbage, dumping it to our dumping site.
Amakuraga gashakwa Muhindo Gerard Ahabwa Sky TV ya Genshonga umuri Kasese.